guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do a quick haul from Ross department store. And let me tell you what's going on. So my son called me today, my oldest son Jordan called me today to say that well, first of all, he's gotten some puppies, some adorable Pitt lab mix puppies, and he's had them. How old are they? About 8 weeks?
I don't even know.
They're probably 8 weeks now, because the video that, well, you'll see, I think I'm gonna include this in the video where we took them to the vet. They were about 6 weeks then, 6 or 7 weeks then, so they're more than 8 weeks now. But anyway, I had bought them some Christmas gifts. Ooh, I bought the Christmas gifts before Christmas, but I never got a chance to give it to them. And so, and plus, actually I was going to give it to them, but I had to take it back because one of them was plastic, and even though I thought it was sturdy enough for them, one of the dogs, I think they still managed to chew them up and swallow them, and of course that's not good for the babies. I had to exchange and get something else. So let me show you what I got for the pooches. I see them, they're so cute. There's some other dogs, neighbors' dogs, which are actually their siblings. All right, so the first thing, because I'm struggling here, is this dog toy. It's a tug, toss, and fetch. I hope you can see. The light is getting dim. All right, and I only paid $2.99. $2.99. This is pretty sturdy, guys, so hopefully, yeah. Well, we know it's gonna get torn up. That's okay. That's how it goes. You see me struggling, right? I'm like, okay. I gave the first hint, y'all. She didn't get it.
Oh, so looking at the babies right here. Oh, they're so cute.
They are adorable. I can't wait to see them, but I feel bad because I didn't buy them toys, you know. I bought it for Nana's babies.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, where's the other toy?
What?
I think something fell out in the trunk, baby. No. I had this.
So I have to get stampeded?
Oh my goodness. It's another toy in the trunk, but don't worry about it. I also, because they're teething, bought them some puppy teething sticks. Puppy teething sticks for the puppy. They teething. And these were on clearance for 99 cents. And I don't know what the original price was $3.99. And it is the chicken flavor. Oh, you hear them? You hear that they're puppies. They're out by themselves, which would, you know, that won't happen with Nana. All right, so the dog toy, the teething sticks, and I also bought for my son this cute. Oh, she's trying to give me some light, y'all, because it's pretty. The sun is going down, but I think they can see it. See the little paw print, and it says woof. And I bought it on clearance for $4.99. It was originally, I don't think it's helping. It's not helping. Thank you, sweetums. Thank you. Thank you. It was originally $9.99. Now, before it was reduced, before it was $4.99, it was reduced to $9.99, and prior to that, it was $18. So I got a really good deal on this, and I really like it because it has the hooks up here. It has a little scratch, but that's cool. It has little hooks for the for their harnesses or their leashes. or whatever. And it comes with the thingamajigs. I can't even think of the word right now. It's not like I don't do projects where I don't know, but I can't think of it. So you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. So yeah, this is really cute. And so we're gonna, oh, he also bought, now I didn't buy this. He left him in the vehicle the other day because we went to pick up something for his office. And yeah, these are some dog toys he got from the Dollar Tree, and these are cute. Now these I guess these are like a plastic, but it says heavy duty.
It's a rubber.
Yeah, that's different. You're right. So it's rubber instead of plastic. And then it has like a tennis ball inside. So yeah.
But the one.
So we got one that's red and yellow and one that's black and yellow. All right. So I guess you can let them know that we're out here. So you can let the babies out, and I'm going to get out. Y'all, she cut me off. I was trying to tell you that we'll see you in a few minutes. All right, guys, here we go. So she's calling them now. I was just saying that I like pulling their toys out of the bag just like kids, because they're Nana's babies. She's talking to them.
Yeah, we're outside. Let the dogs out too.
Oh, he hung up. He didn't know what we were doing. Oh, let me show you this too, guys. I forgot. I bought these for my boutique, some hangers. I normally don't buy the plastic ones, and I know this is not related to pet stuff, but I don't want to do this again. So I just wanted to let you know you can get some good deals on hangers at Ross, which some of you probably already know that. But yeah, these are for kids, and these were only $7.99. Just in case you didn't know, you don't have to always order stuff off of Amazon. Sometimes your local stores has it cheaper, because these are normally like $20. I know y'all gonna get excited, Daddy. Alrighty, so here's the babies. This is, oh, you're sitting so good. You're doing what Daddy told you to do. Good boy and good girl. All right, there we go. Once again, this is Golda and Nova, and we're at my son's place, and they are listening to what Dad tells them to do. But they are so excited because Nana and Auntie are here. And so now I brought them some toys. Okay, can they get happy now?
You get their toys. Because you play with their patience.
All right, here.
That's what I was trying to tell you.
Poor babies. I know. Y'all are doing so good. Now you brought you something. This is from Daddy. Daddy brought you babies.
Yes, yeah, y'all get that later.
All right. Ooh, what's that? What's that? Can you smell it? Something's in the bag. Something's in the bag. Yes, you did. This is for your son. Yeah, you like it, don't you?
Yeah, I like it.
So
I want to go ahead and get it right.
I don't know where the other toy is. I think it's in the trunk somewhere.
You get ready to let them out. That's what I'm saying. Before you let them out, make. Go ahead. Open the gate.
Wait. Wait.
Now walk away.
Wait.
Don't you wait.
Can I come back?
No. Now call.
Okay, babies, come on.
Go ahead. There you go.
Woo! Now you can get excited. Y'all have gotten so
But
big.
you gotta hurry up, Mom, because I know they gotta use
I
that
can't
bathroom.
even take. Okay.
I know they gotta use the bathroom.
They gotta go to the bathroom. Let them go to the bathroom. All right. So,
What I tell you about that? Down.
Down.
Go. No. Stop that. Just hit. Good girl.
wait, I have one for you so you don't feel left out.
What's that? Go to this yours. See? You always trying to say something. You can't just let her have her toy.
Hello?
There you go.
Whichever one.
She said, I got this one.
Uh-oh. Y'all got this one.
That's why I said I do it. Terror.
They don't want my toy. You don't want my toy? Oh, you trying to figure out how to get it?
Yeah, you gotta,
Baby.
gotta figure out how to get it. See, she don't really care. She like, vengeance.
You have gotten so big. What happened?
Go up. Over here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Sit here. I know it. I know it. Yeah, I know it. I know. Yeah, see what she got? My toy.
All right. Well, we're not. We have somewhere to go.
Right.
I just want to give him a treat. Okay, but you have to sit for your treat. Come on.
No, you gotta bring him over here. Bring him
Sit.
over here. Ah.
Sit.
No, you gotta come over here. See what I'm saying? You gotta come over here. I'm turning.
All right.
That's what I'm saying.
Problem.
Cause I'm trying to get them to learn their food is over here. Not over
Okay,
there.
Daddy sit over here.
Cause they tend to take up Nova. Come over here.
She's so happy to have something to tea
I know
with.
it. I know it, Booga. Come on. Come in, Nova. Nova.
No.
What I say?
Well, she'll see the treat coming.
There you go.
Come
Sit.
on, guys.
Sit. Go to. Bring your hand.
Ooh.
Sit. Yeah, I know.
Look,
What
look,
she got?
look.
Get to it. Go ahead. Go
Sit.
ahead. As soon as they get,
Sit.
go ahead. Ah, go to. You know what I'm saying? You gotta sit. Come here. Come here. Sit. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. All right. Sit down. Sit, go to. Go. Ah. Go to. Come here. Come here. Sit. That's a good boy. Sit. That's a good boy. That's a
That chocolate
You better
boy.
get my paw. Get my
Look at
paw.
that
Get
chocolate
my paw.
baby.
My paw.
That's my chocolate baby. This one here has my heart. He is so sweet. I love Nova too, but he's just such a gentle giant.
I might have to let her go.
What?
Oh, okay. What happened? I thought that was what y'all saying?
What you saying?
Oh.
Why y'all jump so
Wait, hold on now.
No,
No,
that's what
I'll
I'm
take her.
saying.
Oh, okay.
Look at those paws, y'all. It's so cute.
Why y'all jump so quick?
No, don't do that. I'll take her. I'll take her.
Hey,
Right.
baby. Oh, he done chewed that up. He's like, where?
Exactly.
Well, you know, that's up to Dad.
Them treats
I'm
go
done.
quick.
I just wanted to come and see the baby. And then I
That's
just
why I
wanted to come
split
and
'em.
see the baby. Yes, I did. You have gotten so big.
All right,
oh my
sit.
gosh.
Sit.
You have
Ah,
gotten so big.
there you go. There you
You have
go.
gotten
boy.
so big.
Yes, sit.
I'm going to show
There you
them their
go.
vet visit. When we took them to the vet. How good you were. Yeah, you were so
Go to.
good.
Go to get your
She's
toy.
like,
Yes,
I
your
want
boy.
another.
Yes, your boy.
She's
Let me
like,
see
I
it.
want another
Let me see
treat.
it. I know what you want. I know what you're looking for. I know what you're looking for. I know what you're looking for. Yes, your boy. Yes, I know what you're looking for. Yes, yes,
Oh, wow.
yes. I know what you're looking for. Yeah.
All right, guys. This is it. You've met Golda and Nova.
Alright, you can pet them. You can pet them while they're doing it.
I
Just
know, it's okay.
Just be careful, though.
Anyway.
be careful because I'm
Nan's
scared
getting
to.
ready to go.
This is what they do. Yeah, I don't try other ways of trying to get them to play, but this is the best way they want to burn out their energy besides going outside.
Right.
They want to tease and they want to show, hey, look what I can do. Look what I can do. I can show you something.
Good job. What's her weight?
That's right.
Yeah, I'm gonna do half. I hate to disturb you to get your shots. I hate it. You gotta get your shots, baby. Boo boo. Boo boo. Hey. Hey, handsome. Hey, handsome. Hey, baby. Hey. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey. Hi. Oh, no, we're at the vet. We're at the vet. It's gonna be okay. Daddy got you.
Let me get Doc. I'll be right with y'all, okay?
I hate to disturb you to get your shots.